Alright, here we go. We're going to tie the Pratt necktie today. So starting with our standard length tie, seam side up rather than down. I'm going to start at the fourth button with my narrow end. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 right there. Cross over here, but we're starting with the little end on top rather than the long end. I'm going to spiral once around this neck piece here. Pull that through. I'm going to switch my hand position, wrap across my fingers, up the neck, and right down through. Grabbing that, I'm going to switch so I don't lose my narrow end here. Pull that in, nice and secure, and there you have it. Pratt necktie knot.